Hello there everyone. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to put a link in your TikTok bio. So let's get right into it. Beforehand, just head over to YouTube or I'm going to Chrome, and then just suppose I'm going to this link and clicking on this link. I'm just copying it down, and once it's copied, just I'm heading over to TikTok. And once you've done it, make sure you have logged in with your desired account, and then go to your profile or TikTok profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner, and then head over to the edit profile or add bio option. I'm just going to edit profile, and then goes to my bio section. Here I can add my Instagram account and also my YouTube account, and here I can add my bio. In my bio, just I'm pasting the currency. I can paste it because of its character limit exceeding. So if you want to just add any link right here, just do it. As you can see, I have just a paste link right here. Once you do it, just tap on save and your link will be saved in your TikTok bio. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.